Ready to travel? Today we are sharing 11 family travel destinations to visit in 2021. Hi, it's Allison from Jones Family Travels. We know 2020 was a crazy year. In the Jones family, we've been doing lots of traveling within the United States. We're excited to see international destinations starting to open. In today's video, we share some of the top destinations to plan a family vacation in 2021. Just 30 minutes from Jacksonville in North Florida is the oldest city in the United States called St. Augustine. This city has beaches, history, and amazing food. St. Augustine Beaches and Volano Beach is nearby if you want to hit the sand and surf. St. Augustine is a hidden gem in the United States with great food, history, outdoor activities, and beaches. The best news? No passport is required. You can just hop in the car and head down to St. Augustine. Many of the Caribbean islands have been opening, including the Dominican Republic. We love the Dominican Republic for tropical beaches and all-inclusive resorts. There are many all-inclusive resorts in the DR, including Club Med and now Onyx. An all-inclusive resort in the Dominican Republic is a perfect family vacation. In 2020, our family planned another trip to Japan. Unfortunately, we did have to cancel the trip. However, we are anxiously waiting to book our next visit to Japan. With the opening of Nintendo World in Osaka and the Olympics in Tokyo, Japan is definitely a top place to visit in 2021. If you're looking for a tropical destination but do not want to leave the United States, you may want to consider the Florida Keys. This destination reminds me of the Bahamas and the Caribbean islands. We love the Florida Keys. The Keys are about an hour from Miami, starting with Key Largo. There are several main islands from Key Largo to Key West. It takes about 2 hours to get from Key Largo to Key West. Our favorite islands in the Florida Keys are Islamorado and Key West. You can rent a boat at Robbie's, meet some sea turtles at the Turtle Hospital, go fishing off the highway, or chill at one of the many beaches. If you like sun and fun, the Florida Keys is a perfect family vacation. The only family all-inclusive resort in the United States is located in Port St. Lucie, Florida, called Club Med Sandpiper. You pay one fee and your entire vacation is included in the price. Once you arrive to Club Med, you can put your wallet in the safe. Everything from activities to drinks to food to kids club are included. We love all-inclusive resorts in the Jones family. Club Med Sandpiper has a ton of resort activities and kid club activities. It is located on a lake, so you can enjoy water sports like kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and sailing. This property is also known for sports. They have golf, soccer, trapeze, and volleyball. There is so much to love about Club Med Sandpiper in Florida. It is an amazing resort for families. If you're looking for a more intimate family vacation, we highly recommend Dude Ranches. We got to experience a dude ranch called Vista Verde in Colorado over the winter months. During our vacation, there were only 15 other families at the Dude Ranch. We got to snowshoe, ride horses in the snow, tube down a mountain, and even ride a horse-drawn sleigh ride. It is an incredible family vacation. Similar to Club Med, you pay only one price and your whole experience is included. If you are looking for snow but not a big downhill skier, we recommend a dude ranch like Vista Verde. National parks in 2020 were very popular with families. In 2021, we expect national parks, especially on the west coast of the United States, to be just as popular. This is another family adventure that you can just hop in the car and go. You can stay at a hotel or even camp on your adventure. Our favorite national parks for families are Delicate Arch, Zion, and Yellowstone. National parks are beautiful and an incredible learning opportunity for the whole family. We love hopping in the car and heading to Asheville, North Carolina. This city is on the edge of the Great Smoky Mountains. If you're looking for a castle during your vacation, the Biltmore Estate is for you. There are several hotels on this 8,000-acre estate. You can bike around the Biltmore Estate or just soak up the beauty from your hotel. It is the perfect weekend or spring break destination. Several international destinations are open and ready for travelers. If you're ready to practice your Spanish, you may want to plan a family getaway to Costa Rica. This is actually where Tim and I honeymooned many years ago. You can experience rainforests, volcanoes, and tropical beaches in Costa Rica. It is truly a family adventure that everyone will love. One of the tourist capitals of the United States is Orlando. There is so much to do in Orlando with nearby beaches, theme parks, rocket launches, and warm weather. If you click the eye in the sky, we share the top things to do in Orlando for a family vacation. We do miss cruising, but we can still visit many of the popular cruise ports of call, like Mexico. This country has been open for months for visitors. You can visit cities like Cancun, Los Cabos, or Cozumel. These are all popular spots in Mexico with beautiful beaches, warm breezes, and cool water. Are you ready to travel in 2021? Leave a comment below where you want to go with your family. Thanks so much for joining us today. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.